Hey guys, so I've come here today to just ask a quick little bit of advice because I've run into a little bit of a problem I just cannot seem to figure out, and I guess I'm coming to you guys to ask for help. So what I've been working on here, well this isn't it, but I've been working on a file browser for a new OS I'm working on, and as you can see here, this is the file browser. Hold on. Okay, so this is the file browser I'm working on, and this is the display window up here. Okay, and any folder is like a dark gray, like light gray, and all the files are light or white. Okay, I have the little menu, the counter down here, number files 18, number folders 4, and you have your um, options down here. Now, what I have run into is the folder creation method. I have right here function create folder and local temp equals shell.dir. Um, I was just testing stuff, and then set the directory to the root. If not fs, that is dir folder name. Then shell.run mkdir or make directory folder name shell.set directory to temp, and then return true if everything went well. Um, and what I found is when I'm doing this, it always works when I'm on the root folder. So if I can demonstrate all the things right now. So if I want to name a file, um, help. Okay, so there's the file help right there. And if I do new folder, I can do help. And oops, forgot to call that. Um, sorry, forgot to put this back in before I did this. Okay, so this is just going to create the folder in my current directory with that new folder name. Okay, now let's try it again. Okay, so I'm going to go into the browser, and now, hold on, did I miss something? I found the problem is I just had that little thing there. If I can do this again, okay, browser, okay. So I'm in my directory. Actually, I wanted to show that it works. Like I said, it works in the root directory. When anything outside there, it gets highly temperamental. So okay, so I'm gonna create the folder. We're gonna name this help, maybe. All right, I figured it out. I was just something was wrong. Um, all right, so it wrote the file perfectly. The number 4 is changed to 5. Um, help, and it's in the light gray like it should be. Everything works fine. I can do the paint. I'll just do p demo. Everything works fine. Sorry, I'm using the CC emulator, so sometimes it glitches. There we go. All right, so like I said, you see everything works completely fine here. Now, as soon as I go into my local directory and then try, and I just have a couple folders, they aren't grayed out. Okay, now check this out. For some reason, everything works except the folder. So I'll go here, create a new folder. We'll just call this folder. And I did something wrong as usual. Hmm. I'm so sorry. Something's. There we go. Let's try this one more time. Shoot. I'm had a long night of coding. I'm kind of tired right now. I'm sorry. Okay. So we'll go. Everything, like I said, everything works fine. Go in here. There's those default folders. I'm gonna create a new folder. I'll name it, or yeah, I'll name it demo or folder. Okay. Now it doesn't gray out, and I am not sure why at all. The code that prints everything out to the screen or determines if it's a file or a folder is this function right here, det type or determine type. And you supply the array or the table, and then it checks to see if it's a directory, and if it's not, it sets it to be a file. Now, if you see, all three of those it's reading as a file. But if I go and look at it in the shell, they're all folders. So I'm not sure where exactly. I don't know if this is messed up or something I did. I'll post the code to Pastebin or something. Because I'm really stumped right now. I've been on this all day and I can't figure out what the heck is the problem. I mean, I'm redrawing it. I have the part that's doing that is right here. Create folder. So it's going to create that little dialog box, and then sta equals read, and then this is just going to print true or false. Create folder sta. So it's just going to, with this applied here, the name, it's going to create the folder in that directory. Data equals fs list shell directory. Draw window data. So I don't know what the heck the problem is, and I was just wondering if any of you guys could help me or give me a pointer on where I probably messed up. So I don't know why it's not recognizing it as a directory. I mean, it sometimes does, sometimes doesn't. And I'm super stumped. So if you guys could just maybe look at the code and see if you could figure out why it's not recognizing it as a directory. But thanks guys for watching, and hopefully I'll be able to contact some of you guys and figure this out. So thanks and have a good day. Goodbye.